Looking to take your DIY electronics to the next level? Meet the ESP32. If you've used an Arduino, you're going to love this. It's faster, more powerful, and most importantly, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Today at GHH Tech Lab, we're going from unboxing to advanced IoT. At its heart, the ESP32 is a dual-core processor running at up to 240 MHz. It features 30-plus GPIO pins, capacitive touch sensors, and Hall effect sensors. Whether you're building a smart home light or a weather station, this board has the muscle to handle it all. For the pros, the ESP32 supports advanced features like deep sleep mode, which lets it run on batteries for months. We also have dual-core processing, meaning one core can handle your Wi-Fi connection while the other manages sensor data in real time. Plus, with integrated security features like flash encryption, your IoT data stays safe. The ESP32 isn't just a chip, it's the backbone of modern IoT. Stay tuned as we build our first web-controlled project in the next video.